In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a bottoms up Turkish get up with a kettlebell. Now firstly, let's go through what that bottoms up part means. So you see here I've got the handle. Usually with a Turkish get up we'd be in this position. However, with a bottoms up position we're here. So the bottom of the kettlebell is above the position of the handles. The bottom of the kettlebell is facing up. So that's what the bottoms up part means. Now, when we come into the Turkish get up, the first initial part is the most crucial. And this is because where people get injured is the first part of the motion. So this is a fantastic exercise for conditioning. It can be put into HIIT, circuits or strength training routines. However, we need to make sure that we absolutely nail the first part so we don't get a shoulder impingement or rotator cuff injury. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to start side lying. You're going to place your hand in the handle, okay? So I've got my left side here in contact with the floor. Left hand is on the handle. From here, I roll back as I use my right hand to bring the kettlebell into position. Now let's say I've just finished the movement. I would actually do the exact same to put the kettlebell down. So let me show you from the other side. I've got the kettlebell here in contact with the floor. My right hand would come into the handle. My left hand comes at the bottom of the kettlebell. I roll onto my back and I'm ready for my start position. So firstly, I'm going to bring the kettlebell up. Now, because I've punched the kettlebell up with my right hand, it's always going to be the same side that your leg comes up into a bent position. Always look at the kettlebell. You don't want to take your eyes off it at any point. You're now going to come into a position with your opposing arm, so my left arm in this circumstance, where I come into that diagonal position. From here, I'm now going to come into a position where I come onto my elbow, like so. From here, I'm now going to come onto a position where I'm in contact with the floor with my hand. The hips come up. My straight leg, which is my left leg, comes behind my body. I then come up into a position which is half kneeling. Always looking at that kettlebell as I come up, reverse lunge back down. Have faith that the floor's there as you bring your hand in contact with the floor. Return the leg to that start position. From here, elbow, back down, and then completely straight. If I then wanted to finish the movement, down, hand on the bottom of the kettlebell, roll over.